Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 electric chainsaws. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, brushless cordless chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Duracell. Power source, battery. Saw type, chainsaw. Weight, 1.2 kilograms. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Wattage, 4,000 to 5,999 watts. Usage, home DIY. No load speed, 35,000 revolutions per minute. Application, wood saw. Max. Cutting depth, 50 centimeters. The item number 2 is electric cordless chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Drill Pro. Power source, battery. Saw type, chainsaw. Weight, 6 kilograms. Wattage, 2,000 to 3,999 watts. Usage, renovation team. No load speed, 35,000 revolutions per minute. Is _customized, yes. Application, wood saw. Rated input power, 2,600 watts. Model number, cordless chainsaw. Blade diameter, 18 inch. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Drill Pro 12-inch electric chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Drill Pro. Power source, battery. Certification, none. Saw type, chainsaw. Weight, 2.0 kilograms. Usage, home DIY. Is _customized, yes. Application, wood saw. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.